Mema obi biara akwaba edeba emergency Ghana TV so. Enenso obadia adom wode yenkwa asan acheyem bio. Nene story na yesa aka no. Efa abrantie bia okohia Nigeria ni ba ewo Mali. Na abrantie ye na adwen se one obayi betena enu nti ofa ne free Mali ede ne ba Ghana. Na ode ne ba Ghana no se mebre esisi wa akire abrantie ne se wanu ne ho kra se ofa ababa awai ede ne ba ha se one ne betena abobra na ode nsemi to dwa se ekwan a abayiwa ne ede na faso enti a woka se wanu ne ho
Aboza.
Yes, even that me no fee no
abo.
Then last time, then I remember that I used my phone to give to his sister.
I Okay, let's move on. And then oh, Jaja, we didn't come on ahead. Now, we said, Madam, let's start it. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Me family phone money say we call wake naba. Then before I'm back up or seen phone naira. Then after
there you then no. If you money and hadi Abrantian. I would dear no.
I am a boy.
The boy is your who?
The boy is my antenna.
Is your plan. It's me so what about the Banasa? God. If the boy is your antenna, what is the problem?
The boy beat me a lot.
What did you do?
I couldn't do anything.
When someone didn't do anything, someone can beat her?
Mom, maybe if the boy went to outside now to go and drink and smoke, when he came house, we will be beating me.
No, before you saw the boy, you know that the boy drink.
The time I saw it at Mali, he's not doing like say no or
so that guy is a Mali guy or Ghana guy?
Ghana.
But you saw him in Mali?
Yes.
So he bring you from Mali?
Yes, he bring me here. At the first day that he bring me this Ghana, then I now stay with him like 3 days. Now started be beating me.
But you saw him at Mali, and you are the friendship there. How long did you stay with the guy in Mali? How long?
I stayed with him like 1 week.
1 week in Mali, and he brought you here. Why? Where is your family? Did your family there?
No, my family is there at night.
So you are in the Marine area. You are Mali girl or?
No, I'm Nigeria girl.
You are Nigeria girl. So you went to Mali?
Yes.
To do what?
Like.
Tell me. You went to Mali to do what? What work did you do in Mali?
Is a friend directed me that I should come to Mali. There is a work there over there.
What work? What work?
Then you tell me that is a boutique.
No. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Okay?
Yes, madam.
Don't push me. Don't push me. Because what you are telling me is lie. What you are sitting here telling me is lie. Totally lie. So tell me the whole truth about what you are telling me. Because can someone brought you from Nigeria told you that you are coming to Did you speak to you?
Yes.
Now fair than Mechim. It don't have been chiming now. Who's about me? I would tell you school 1980. Four phones on the choir. 1980 music classroom. Now, oh my God, also me. 1980 the music school. Me and baby. Only I want to be educated. Ha! Mami nya manager brofo. Don't brought brofo here. I'm serious. Aya day and we free Nigeria. Aba betra Ghana. Aba Mali. Uso obi si na boutique.
Yes.
Say me nkola mami a nice girl. Mami a beautiful. Obi be da me sa no oboa manko. Me na fufu a wo free Kumasi yakọ. Wo ko ye tutu. Asawo.
Yes, that is the
don't try to behave me to invest.
Minim.
But when you are going there, no, what did he tell you? What me say? As a baby, I do go through her. I didn't know what I say. What's that crazy? What the trip also wait a while come from. Who go through her? A dear bed, you man will see. A dear bed will do what's in a moon. Now we need passay.
We any passing.
How many people? How many girls did you brought you in from Nigeria?
We
answer me.
Oh yeah, two.
Me too.
Aye.
Now what about that girl? Where is the girl?
The girl is still there.
Doing what?
And she's doing the business, but me, I couldn't like it.
Doing the business about what?
What business?
What business? A shower business. So when the girl is there, Obano wohono, I want no warrior say Jumano. Mukodu yene how long? And a boy who. So I mean, how many years or?
I mean, years, that week now me buy me who boy na because me who na or catch them say then me then wa ha me catch them say almost say me baby ye juma we juma me or catch them say okay me bra bibia na omo ya garan say no me jane so that phone kitwan because omo was seizing me phone so that phone kitwan na mama so mbeji friend no be ka share mutan mbeji jane
answer me my serious amity obetra Ghana fi say ni obetra Ghana fi say because Nigeria ni girl o fi Nigeria straight wakwa Mali ultimate country sir what's Ghana how many years
matna 3 years
3 years what do free Mali buy no and so sana so no buy ha mutan hen chari what do buy ha no mu free Mali buy how many years
3 years.
3 years. And I'm in it together with one room. And I'm a apartment and I'm not here. More than one room, one bed. And I was starting so boo, how long ni? And I started so be too.
Like on doing 1 week plan or starting a bomb.
We are then and no starting boo.
Mammy, you she.
When you're buying a shame.
Me no fi o ko no monsa se me nim so no monsa o ko no monsa bra be shebra obomusa
the patch yan kwara na etia we are serious oba ya me ne wo sre bia we are serious woni ni partner Mali 1 week na watam wodi wachi se besere me yankwa Ghana se wo kokun se wo de wo kwayen 1 week se ya fra boy no a boy no so be kana samu
se me so be kana
God ana 1 week no di achi ba ana mko tena ekuru be so
o ko tina kwensi ma me mo kuro mu kwa na ofam na eba so ofam du yo e kwensi mo kuro mu na ofam kwensi mu
kwensi mu
ai na ofam na edu ya me bisan se okuro mu because time na okachi ofam na eba on kan jam so mbe betina no show o say like ofam ba wa ha mbe ko fife adwuma mbe tumi ye wa ha
na ga so de obi a de wo ko hwehwe adwuma obi a de wo ba o be ko hwehwe adwuma ana o de wo ba ye okay what do we do 1 week on started so wo po okonom nsa obo mi wonim ne maame
minim ne maame
mote ne maame kuro mu ana
bibia na ne maame te
mo ne maame ne te e wo kuro ba so
that is same kwansimua
na kwansimua na hene fa efiri ekuro ba ya fa ka Kumasi wa wo ba wo fa hene ne ba
me fa edbiase e kwan
adibiase kwan ani efiri ekuro bi kwansimua mo ma men tro bi ana is true ko si moi kwansimua what an auntie, and 2 boy not 3 years. Mawo.
Ma wa plan man, then I plan no person of a plan money.
Akwara na wo ne ma no edi say akwara na di say.
For 3 years.
Akwara na wo no so anya 3 years. And aba house so anya 3 years. Baba ni mama me say twi ni na wontia.
Me te no ho me 3 years. No ho na me te. Before Quincy one before some of like when okon one like 7 months no me free. Me free no ho.
Ono na person o kire say. One ne tina ye na wo free ni nchen no. E na 3 years. As I say, just on it tonight, if you are move free one more back for 1 week, you know, not on him. And it's 7 months in Imuno. And as what they were 3 years now, you know, this year, boy, no,
1 week, Mali. And I'm when you may.
Me kwa menye minimum say
well, what did you say?
So that na me who say me more 5 months.
Meba. Who say boy no on it na Mali ho 1 week. Ana what do ba Ghana? Ana what do ba Ghana?
Aye.
O ba Ghana no what do 1 week now on na banana monyam. O ba nyam Ghana.
Me because time na me who say me nyam na we like
okay, what you forget now you can say you be say am why because we didn't free 1 week man can say when you 3 years akura so 3 years. Because says I wouldn't know a deal so many wow. So say Ghana, how many years to see?
Me call 4 years wa.
God. And I could have 3 years. I feel we didn't come. First was it 3 years. I feel we didn't come.
No person just on anything 3 years into a friend in 1 year back home.
And there be so I say or more free labe one more bano 1 week and and on bedroom Ghana house for 3 years. And our woman buying 3 years. Say what free boy in chain?
Aye, no bona obum na yese me finish.
None of my men and papa will feel.
Ne papa ne wo ne mame nkwane.
Ne mame nkwane. Why na ne wo fie wo biem?
Why na inni oba no wo ho.
Ne nua oba wo ho. E na wo hu se wo ne nua ba ma ne bo.
Inni oba kwa no ntumi ya fie o. Oya kwa no bi no be bo no ka ho.
Eye die ne ya na wo ye. Auntie e ma ne nam so a obo. Me pese bi hu na de kro.
Me yeshu. Maybe na bet na e ka
Kasade mami kasade.
Maybe bet na e ka shensi na okay ipesika ibeji ko like ibeji ko to ade ibeji. O ka se o kokoko oyin sika bibiara se o ipesika se mo nfa ma wo ade ibe se me se adenti bet na wa ha emfa sika na mami menyum kura na emfa sika ma wa ya ipese o ma musika kura na Adem benum minimum tum no obomo mi so no obomo sa then some people area there then omuni na omu so obom de bia no obomo omu ka hire ibe kwan ibe ka hire no say adan ne buge no ibe obe bididi wa atem wan ka hire na ebe bisa na asem ko obe didi wa atem de bia no obomo mi nya no feel then after then me nya wa musi me nya shortage of blood kra Mama musika mi kwani mi juko to ade kwan on farm mami. Or the woman that is living over there is the one that is taking care of me. But your mom is not taking care of me. Every day that I suffer there, then I do not have any help. Me need help. Me need more bibiara. Then one brother that have small money. That if you see me on the road, you dash me money. Then one day I said the bride is my boy. And I said that the brother is not my boy. And I said, it's my boy. When his mother started to tell him that, stop, he will shout at his mother. If his mother is afraid of him because his mother cannot do anything, his sister Kwan is afraid of him. Then he started doing that. Then I said, okay, every day we go to the Nana, the king of that Kunsimwa. Every day, every night. One day, I'm not sleeping on the room. And I tell me that, and I go and drink and came back. Now tell me that Obiedim inside the room that I'm sleeping. Obiedim. I'm not wearing any clothes. I just now buy finish now put on my only the damn clothes. Now I be sleeping inside room. Ada Obiedim Obiafam. When I fam say mabna bra Obiafam. Then he now jack me and bring me out. I couldn't hear anything Obiafam. omo bi san se wan na ye de pako o si ni pako we free window na ase we na ekoye nana nesi o wa ha na ye ko no hu obi si obi free window na ase na ekoye omu sonu mu nana nebu ofunu ne sonu mu ko free boys so mu sonu boy no
no free hene na na apia akọ window no
baby o wono ne say ho
meti de work na se
enye boy na kasa na apia boy ne de tu no so o se be ma foforo ne na da we free window no hene ne so o hu sabia
na hwanom ba boy ogbabo hwan
nana no na be small boys no see omo tam boy no bra omo fa no bra no ho no
god
omo fa no bra no ho no obebe ye mpajo omo ka chensa aden de bia no titi gen no sa so gen no ye no hwi aden de bia no pese ogu gen ni ma si gen no o wan ka so tewa ha ohun si obi window na se na ekoye omo before he na lead down the same passion so onye nubiem then I use rope and tie it on his hand said that or trying next time biem obehu ade ombeye no then the uncle na say I should go and report him at police station and I said the king na say I should leave it. I should not go to the police station to go and report him. I should leave the case, say you will not do it again. And you will reach like 1 week time, it will not start another one. Maybe he will be lying inside room. He will not see that he will beat you, tell you that maybe you are watching TV now, maybe you have gone outside to go and drink now. You will be watching TV. In a cool food now, give him his own food, put the food, cover it. When he come, he will tell you, is this food that you give it to him, this food. He will not use the food, use water, pour inside the food.
Did he give you money to prepare the food?
Sometimes he will give me 30 CD. When he give me 50 CD, he not tell me I should buy keep, I should buy moko, I should buy this one. Then he not calculate the remaining balance that will remain. He said I should bring it for him. Then I say, damn me, I'm not your housemate to that. If when you give me money to maybe give me 50 CD, I should use it and go and cook. Now be sitting down, be telling me I should buy meat. 10 CD, the keep.
So Nana no ever tell the boy did to
yes, now every day I used to report him to the Nana.
Okay. Yeah, Obano, oh, if you saying.
Obano, over 3 years.
Bema no, Bema now, Bema.
Aye.
Okay. Bema no, Eddie, Terrier.
Yes.
Terrier. Good. Or how many years?
Terrian.
Usha, or how many years? The age?
Maybe over 28.
28 years.
28, 29.
Okay. Oshafo, same way you have a boy with him. Now same way no you be dey chirako baby a abrantie no ewo. Na yakwa kobusa wohene ne say if it's true. Say Sabi Ghana for ye do ahowo ye nature no. It no. Esra mame sabre no. Akwada no abrebe na oja na ho ma abrantie no
mi aminja no ho oyetan na na obo mi na obo mu kese na obo mo mi bi kwa mi du o meshi like mi du ni oba na ehwo mo ye light off no mi du ni oba na ehwo na ko krom se ko charge phone no time mi kokra na me kra no se me ko krom se mi phone edum se ko charge phone no ko charge phone na mi du ni oba na ehwo no ko da ho adem eti say ofre mi phone no ka kire mu we free bibia na o free na ba mi wo hi so obebu mende makoko da be ma ho me ka kire say enim bibia mi ho na mi ka kire say makoko da be ma ho o ka yan so na obebu mu ni mami na free me ka kire say tebia na ba o mi koko tina bibia be tina so that o hu mi si yo mi utini nia ini obakwa na osulo ukoko tina ba bi no ade asa before we jibro fie ukoko da ne mami no ho oda ho jo no pani nana e mami ne fa mo ko nana no ho ka shem se yen ko tena ho o tena ho sa before boy no tebi an ne ba ye bebe o pesi obumi nana ne ka shem se membo me o so ke me fa akora no mma no me se me fa akora no mma no na ne ka shem se o meja akora no mma na yan ka so ko baby so oba se o obebe ka asem me si yo me so ke nana se me ment no ofie mi du ni mami ehinu ko efom committee no ofie obebe bu mo ofie so mi du ni mami ko efom mi du ni mami ni ko efom no ko koti na efom no ofie na ebe efom na bebe bom na obom ne mami sonu mo fa ne mami to hye bebe ni nua be ma no kra no obebe sonu mu ka chense tewi ajajaja onfini nua be ma fa ne nua be ma bobo no to hye no bebe na bobom miye week no ne mami ka chense obom no bo hini na wa ha no bo ni na wa akwa no pese oba mo ho o ka chense memba mo ho na obom sa miye week tete ma atare ni na so ni mami na ka chem se mi jimnika cross nsuo na
no so ade
mi jimnika na ko
no so ade ba ya me
wonya ade efo
me pese ye tie boy do anum asem was me tie boy na anum asem pa because ade bi say ni de and slaves you know atwamu and ba ma omobo ma no atwamu yesi baby a omo wo no aye frɛ ho kosi mu ase no eye twifu praso mbeba twifu praso
ose anua so
konsi mu
ewa twifu
nana no number kwa mi kita no aha
okay etino ya besese ya pese yetie abrantie no anumu asem na ya shese abebe ya asem beba cha akwo maame no papa
dabi
oni mo maame
dabi
oni mo papa
dabi pasho dabi
nti wodon ko na wodi akire sa odokun za no because of love
ade edaso no bewu a unsu ani ni mu
hello yeah beba cha weni Agyata wia
Acho David.
beba cha weni
yeah sorry
was a for sabre ye kwayanim kura yesramo moni die pa ya mo mami writing ewufia me ba cha ka chire wo bo wono a we week no a ma me nda ka cha so sori dwane
mami na ka chem se mi sori dane minum bibia mbe to me ko ho because no be kumu no kumu yankasa onyi siko obebe jim ne ko fami ko mi kurom me ko hide no efuomu ho yankasa jim ikane shom den ohun
ada na won kokurum madam me ba cha me musa wasem misra oba ada na won kokurum
tai na me nim se me nyem na me start ka shiro mo so offer sika no ma se mint na hobby se me pese mi kom krom no ma mo sika o mo ka shiro mo se o mbe ma mo sika nana no na show bo se obe ma mo sika 1 month time obe ma mo sika
okay hello yeah me ba cha Mr. Terry
Hi, Pacho, madam.
Where dia me pacho ye me din di Abrewa guy me wo Agyapa TV Kumasi na ka chire em Saudi me ba kete kura ka chire no me nana ye di tawia
Okay, I will.
over tawia me srawo ababa bia ba no ma wo se friend rejoice na am say obeka na konsam a esa wotetie no pa kwada no already ya wo ya no no so pese oyi ni free wi ase enso so fa ni free Mali ana wo de na ba Ghana ha wo ya de wo ne na kotena wo maami fie afa wo maami fie a wo ne nete no also wotibe bo no a che so be so che se ababa no krofo ne de dabasa eti na obu no a kopim sega no kesa wo mo no kura baburo ba 20 times
aburo kura
o se buro 20 times ama wo hene no asem ni nyina akotwa wo hene nim adai tari adai
Awo I Japan TV miss me actually want to Zaka. I be watching person like Damasina. I want to introduce myself to you.
Okay.
Like me Ganteni Kuti.
Yeah.
I meet you for which was 2002 enter Mali. Never could share. Because of you, Kurano, not going to because like the illegal work, no, yeah, so. Or what did I become? Let me say it, but they are netel. No, say they are trying to move fast on my head and mobile and what if you family are okay. me na ebe be do Ghana. She be do Ghana me like my mother like an issue no me focus for my life like me my beside the there on in with the American or another country, so you must to take it everything they do. The can't say she with the American. You see, like I don't know what thing happened to me then. The name they could see like if they talk to me at anyhow, I'll say now what I say, the room, the enjoy like or the me I could do in pay like 2024, which was June. The one thing, the Biana on him, chief in them, for your assembly, and I'm a sincere. I'm just decided I'm a go behind it. Yes, Malaka. The Oka say, me, man, me will be dear witness, like I have witness. Oh, fine, okay. You see, one day, like, wake up, never well, what reso, my soul, what reso, never yet tomorrow. No, never man crown, the friend of Fonso. No, I had the friend of Quana, who cut off a catcher. This was kind of didn't walk. She almost sent me bread and a baby there with share one and I am. Benito, I have Benito Nacobisa. Maybe brown, so they may be I often. And then Bonibia and Quana, Medio, who's the auntie,
meets you, Nana Terrier. Tell you already at the patcho, make a chirukura, tell you an amexrawada. Ababai, what I say, a Bruno, a Bonono. Your person who the reason why. Meet you, would you among one and one? Get it to 1 month today from Canada. Who tell the Cano, a crown of a son? What's the American? If he wants in one wallet, I sit out, then we say a friend is or mammy said, yeah. Put up a crown of men on the brand. Who be also with the year. Who put out woman shot here. And then they call who when they master amount. So, yeah, they will turn their over out. Mebachara, as somehow can it do a while in Tiasia? Ababa, one no jay.
On my guy.
Walk worry.
Oh, on the Obama front, I think. Never say, Sadia, I want to be sure about money. That man is sure I want to be sure of brother money.
Mebacho Bema no wa no no here Francis here.
Oh, I also, I
okay. Na mebacho so we dey oba efri Mali abedru ha. Okay. Na mebacho wo shia no odi me ko hunu na busuafo wa Nigeria. Meet you, Terrier. Terrier. I have it. What to make a hundred abusu of 4 and son I do a mobile Ghana. What the neighbor Ghana?
What
Mebacho, Meso hundred abusu of 4 and son I will play down a free Mali Abaha.
Nichiro Kano.
Mebacho hundred abusu of 4 and son I the neighbor.
Mebacho, ye know, she share a feminine say, like, the presenter. Maybe I'm the feminine. If you be doing a Juma look at you, you know, more payati. I can appear. Keep I forced to Mali and Maku. I saw near entire nearby. All keep the ID card.
Who run a Mali and what's an Mali in Fiesa is another neighbor?
Like, in the like 4 months ago.
Who's 2 months? Mammy, Shahawa in Pacho. Who's here and Mali no? Only next na Mali, but some say and fear say and Sana mobile.
I do want oil, Uti, you know, or yeah, like, or watch a ubra, Uti Ramicano. Nami uno, but I'm not a coho. Nami, it's one of my head, my bedroom, or that day. And not so on them better.
And I'm so one will buy, you know. One will buy Ghana, no. I didn't know what the bro 2. Says one Aquadani 3 years. Young Teno 3 years, what you mean, Tiaquara and Anatolia?
Only insurance.
What's that?
This is how I found the day.
Ada wo di date ni ya dan. Akwara ni date no de ya dan.
See, I say the outcome need to make a day. I no de.
Oh, Dabio, woni ni mienu na awu akwada no. Me ba cha wakati no na. Woni ni mienu na awu akwada no. Eti akwada ni nrutam oyete no. Sana me pesa me kama abrantie wate ne ho ase. Jaini de okay, na Taria.
Ante.
Jaini de woni na jai because say wonya ne ho ade. Number 2, wodi ni free wo ba no. Na woni msansa bi wo bo ahyawo. Ana wode ne ba na abeto aso ewo Ghana good ebabem enuru time a erase yete akwada no
Ante do practical
me ba cho metie o
obati ma sia
me te wa metie o
because after we could see tell me share juma na me ba ma kra me ma mu na mu ya yan kan ne kra na ade ante me wonne gba na so na ede ekodai oda se eye me bifu mbe pacho ye wa te mi ame show le bread show no na bebe fie na akran ne fie ti e ko chief ba ku bi wo ti afran no tu ba mba ko pe o fa okpobo a e dia chief pa ya te di pa wo ti ni like ne me pencha so o ya ze ade a obeye mi ya no enye no me ma bro
Ofa obre na wa bre no enye bre na wa bre na sem wona apɛ bre ana akofa ni free mali ba ya so de na free mali abedru krom ha
me na me de ko fa ba ni fa no to be fa no ko
ana me city when na ka say
you can't spread that kind of life
ni pa foforo na ka say no obofu maza ana abonfo na akwada ni nuta matasa wote no sa wo ma wo bufu a obi abama ni buofu listen to me which mean ka sa obu befu akwada ni so wo bo no ahimfu nyina di adansre adukurofo di adanse adentina sese no akwada no wote na mama ni abra baba wo muye
che mi obi a asamu we a stepebere mi bufu yo
ebacho
ka unyam one
anti dada na baba ha
never pacho at any time you can call me but I can't take that picking who say and can
Monday ubeti mada Taria ubeti mada Monday ubeti mi aba Monday
Monday
ai
Monday they need to be now
just that bay
edia like Monica say minim
okay monga no
edia
yeah back up
another weekend
weekend yenya adwuma it be a Tuesday why
okay
Tuesday bra yeah that's it pa
ni sagro no
kateno antie no la cho afia ne mame wa mpacho boy ne mame
Mama Esre. Yes, sister Rejoice and Apostle Sasa.
Yeah.
Rejoice asemi so a. One ne husband and a boyfriend. I kwashia no Nigeria maimu alata maimu. No de ne ba Eva. Mali onye Nigeria. Okay. Okwashia no eye Mali. Na 1 week time. What in the bag Ghana? Asema branch ye wokam. Usi hu abaya na e wo marry no no say obojantra bra. Sorry to say so me use that word ama me nua ba no. Wo branch ye wonu asem no no. E na hu say oba obotutu bra no. Wo say eno na ope because e tutu for e ma no ya to pe mu no eye hye papa. E hye ye. Eti sane wo hye na wo yi wo style wo kope
Ochefo yesremo ada ya damase pa na ye ko off kakra semo amahunu light mo mfa ncheye honorable yanko
Abrewa me da say na me kan eye regina asemi so I can say Mr. Atta Rejoice any Mr. Atta asemi abrantie wo na wo hu abaye
Tawia mpacho nyata Tawia
okay Mr. Tawia wo na wo hu abaye e na wo se wo pe no e wa ye meli abonten so na wo bo atutu bra na minim de ma hu se obo tutu bra ne se wo ko sa omola anim se nka wo ko pebi edi ni watua ena wo fa no na ade ne ye wo de na stories ya wo yiyi wo no etimi ka wakoma se no sa star we de minya hu de bia metue sika nko e bia da wo beba no obi afafiri mu de ko eti e de mema ne so mesi me dem na onyi mi sa star ne mame na wa ma wa adwen ana ho ehunu se obi a ono ne baabi ye ne da sa adwuma ne no so obeye no sa odi ne betena fie na wo kwa wo ye de obedwam enye se di paneti ho no ma na bla ho bono bibia kana kuma ena nyamesum bia bra ni mu no se mi wo ba mi fa me ho nya sa boni we enama ho kire bi nti mi fa me ho mema kwagina da mu ngigi sika enti mama me nso so ma Christ ama na di ya wo kai ya wo bia wo fam wo asa wo bra nim a wo se wo nko sa ti bia ni mu bia mo de ne ho manyame sa nko afori bi wo ma wo de wo se wo fa na ware na eno ne kura mpodo suro kakra wo mo suro wom na wo de wo bi straight wo asa wo bra se matam no 1 week abesi Ghana wo de ne ba ya tete ne bro ese wo fa wachi woni we yakoda na wo kwa na nya ne kwofo na ededa na akwofa ye wodi ne ba Ghana ha se ne mi bi se wo ye ne ho ade ma hwan ne busua ni be ne mbra na ade ne ba no ukra no ede ne ba ye eno su no wanye ne nyina bi ne wakwofa ade so ba be se usu sa ba ya ne ma wo bra wo na wo pa wo bre ena wanya wo bre no etina ka wo se wo tena ho sa na wo ji gu wo obi kwore ba no ohuru ma na wo so ato aso eni kwan se obu no tutu na de na me bi se Abrewa se ga ni koye police case ya na Abrewa Agyapa no so oya se minya abotre no asa sister won se ma wo kan Abrewa ye se until sem bi ase dan na wo ye ya ye bo wo wotimi kirem se ya mpasa wo ya de pa ba ma wo ne nete e bru tutu ma wo mete police station kwan na wai ekuro no after ohine no ana apart from ohine no ye ni police station wo horum ba bia na eno na kan besa buabu sa wo ma me se wo koye police case ani ehun se ne wo kan eye no kra e bia wo bra wo jantra bra na wo bona na branch ani ma wo kwan no ena na wo so eye wo se wo tete wo abranch ani ba no adenti na wo hwehwe ni mu ansa na wo fiti praku pedi na chi ba Ghana wo ba ye de atie bia wo sa wo tena ho Jane baba so busa be ma so ma miska na me fa to aduane ni anu asori na tu Jane pa ene baba ne sa ma me mesrawo me pa cho pa Ghana ha se na wabare mo wani na ho senya na wo kasa wa me ehunu se wa ja be ma ne kwa akwofa be ma foforo se wo ti be ma foforo dem wo bidi wa free ba bia ba no wa kwotena be ma ne foforo dem se no wo si abrante ne yenim wa die poti a wo de ba ya wo ba na wo beje no anasa rent any mo sika no fa wonko eno ne de mo sika de kwa enye yie wo bana sam de be hwa aka dientia o mo sika de kwa enye yie ni se no wonte ne nchen wa free ne nchen akwa ma foforo nchen wonti mesra wo bana e be he na 3 years no ye no be ka no akwa gine na gina ye akwa gine so ye no e wo se ebo pipa bi to so na se wo be fa ye so ye wo ka de akosa elibo honom na ko hwefia wodidi kom ma me ko ani abusua wo mu di a ye be di akire because wo gina wo betimi di akwa na adwane every be man nse banya wo kwa na wo ba no e ba sa ye so e be ye su di ama yenti hye sa de we so so wo ready so ba mi eska de akwa libo ho na wo ba no wo di ni dwane a yesu etinya be hwehwe agye ama be ma no wo mre pemu atam na so dia ye be ye ni sa pepepe na dia sumdua ba enti sa dia ni be ma no betena se wo pese wo kwhwe wo ba na akonya da ho a wo be kwa akwhwe ni a wo fa akwa ni dwane
abusia se na me kan ne de mu pepepe de mu trodo be ma ne hye oba no e wo Mali oba ne Nigerian ni na o se na adwuma sem no na adwuma no na adwuma sem nti obedi Mali na abranti ko hye no no de ne ba Ghana no so ne be bobra nti nko ba a wakwakofa no obi man so de na ba wo man so de nka e wo se wo ye de wo treat ni ye na wonni madwuma kra no oye nti eye ne hobby deda se ofa wachi one mema ehihia wo ya we se dwuma na no yede odia nti we ni ho kwan se nka wo o ma ne ye dede e wo se wo frɛ no na wo tunefo na wo ye ne kakra wo training ne kakra nka ebia nko bejai onse won fiti untumi ade a wo ye no untumi emfiti prekope enka se we de wajai omo no masakra no omuka so muja ya oyo ma no metwa ba ko bi senia enko hawo nti omo de nkaka hakra nti nka wasa abrante ni nya abotre na nka we de o traini ababa wa na nkaka na nka otumi jai nso ase be ma ne nti na se wafa na chi one neti no wasa afa na chi eye sadem se ye no pre omumienu ntem asem omu no munim nti nka wasa oto ne bo asem erabe na eraba ne nso ase ohu ne se nia oye no hye ne so otete no se juma na media no oya awe nti se ma ba hampo na me ya oya awe nti enu kwan se wo hye me so onu ni hu ne se bua na abrante na bua no Afutuo no ode ma no o hye ne so o ha no enu nti ne simple and short ni tintin ni tietie nyina ne se obegya na chide na akofo obi foforo no ne natena ukofo obi foforo nso a be ma yi se waje ne ba e de na akoma ne maame na o se akora ne nye de emetena wo nchen na oba na teteba enye be ma na teteba nti ale nti na be ma na je akora no e de na akoma ne maame nti o pewa de me de me ne oba ne ya adwen e wo se akora no ne maame na tena sisi ano nanafo no e wo mu se omo teteba yi but eya na omo nanafo ne tete nkwala tirimude kakra de e ba omo tiri aso wo mu ye yi kakra nkyere ho kakra aso omo tirimu ye omo de doctor kakra wo nti wo se onkonkwata na maame nchen na empo ebia okosuku na nwoma kwan a na wa de na wakosora ne nana me de me ma adwenkyere no nti nso fo adwenkyere bra na ema remfise aha emergency Ghana TV eso so we share me na frame nana akosia meje woso makrawo.
Have you ever tried to buy something online only to get scammed, or have the seller waste your time? Or maybe you're a seller who spends hours preparing an order only for the buyer to cancel last minute? We get it. That's why we created Corpland, a simple, secured marketplace designed to protect both buyers and sellers. Corpland is here to end their frustrations with a reliable solution. Our team noticed that a lot of people are either being scammed or losing valuable time and resources due to unregulated marketplace practices. So we built Corpland to tackle this problem. So Corpland uses a secure payment method known as escrow, which keeps payment safe until both the buyers and the sellers are satisfied with the transaction. Here is how it works. When a buyer orders an item, the payment is held securely, meaning the seller doesn't get paid until the item is successfully delivered. The seller is notified and can accept or decline the order. If accepted, they reach out to arrange the delivery. Once the item is delivered, the seller marks it as delivered. So from there, the buyer has 48 hours to confirm they are happy with the product or to request a revision if there is any issue. When the buyer is satisfied, they accept the order and the funds are therefore released to the seller. If no action is taken within 48 hours, the order is automatically marked complete and the seller will be paid. Corpland is here to build trust in online buying and selling. With our escrow system, both buyers and sellers can feel secure, knowing their time and money are protected. So why not try Corpland for your next online transaction? Visit us at www.corpland.corplandtechnologies.com.